So the gasser engine is back together with one carburetor, one headache, I call it. The only thing isn't done was the distributor's not plugged in. I already built oil pressure, adjusted the valves. I'm gonna build some fuel pressure, make sure there ain't no leaks, set the float levels, and hope for the best. Let's see what happens here. Just want to burp it a little bit, make sure up. Forgot to tighten my nuts up on the top, so let me grab a wrench. Alright, so I have my Willys carburetor adjusting screw or adjustment tool. So what I'm going to do is, carefully just crack the top screw and run these up until we start seeing. Let me grab a rag under here until it just starts wetting the threads on the bottom. You'll hear it start to just rock the car a little bit more. Come on. Going. That thing was set very, very low, so there we go. So a little high. I'm going to back off and tighten it back down again. Sop up our mess. We'll just fine tune it when we get there. Alright. Then we'll go to the back. Same thing. Let me grab. It's still leaking. There we go. Do the same here. Oh boy. Can't lose that. Rack the back. Run it up. Correct. Tighten the top. Give it a little shake. Back it off. Tighten the top. We should be getting there soon. Keep doing that until you start seeing it wet in the threads. Come on now. There you go. Just wet in the threads. A little too much. I'm going to back it off just a hair. And that should be good. We'll dry this thing off and recheck it. Get this mess cleaned up a little bit here and recheck it again while it's dry. And make sure everything's good. See that right there? It's just wet in the threads. We shake the car a little bit. Actually, the back one's a tick high. I might drop it just a hair. I think we are ready. I'll just remove the Lone Wolf 5000 here from the starter because we are done adjusting valves. We don't need that melted on the headers. And oh, I got to put water in this thing. That would help. But I'm going to light it off first, make sure it's good to go. See what happens here. Let's see what this thing sounds like. There somewhere in the ignition department. 180 out. Oh well. I always do that. Yeah, distributor was 180 out. And I've been doing this 30 some years and I always manage to do it, and I'll be honest with you, so it's not one of these TV shows where it fires right up and it idles perfect and it don't have to barely set the timing. There's a lot of mistakes made in a lot of them, and I'll be honest, I make them. Everybody makes them. I don't like, come on, let's be real. Everybody messes something up. You're working by yourself, 1,000 things on your mind. Let's get this dang thing running. All right, sounds dang good right for now for the tune that's on it. For idles. Kind of shut off. I think I got the idle a little low. I just want to check for leaks, make sure everything's good. I got oil pressure. There's no water in it, so I just want to make sure everything's right before I go adding water and all that good stuff. So let me give this the once over. Give the idle screw a little turn because didn't want to kind of idle. So Just check and make sure all the tubes are firing, all the plugs are firing, and the heat's going through the tube. If I get a cold one, there's either a bad wire or a bad plug or something amiss. It looks like we're pretty dang close for the little bit it ran, so we're good. Beautiful, and the throttle response is ridiculously crazy on it. I'm happy with it. It sounds good. I can't wait to take it for a ride. Let's get some water in this thing and let it cool. Of course, the camera keeps cutting off and telling me I need to switch to a V30 SD card, I guess. I guess it's an update because these things are a pain in the butt. Between the batteries and the SD cards, I don't know what's worse on these cameras sometimes. So I got this thing set at 36, a little conservative. Only has a eutectic piston in it anyway, so it's got a little bit of hesitation. I think it's a little too much squirter in it, and I'll have to take it for a ride and do a plug check. But otherwise, it sounds pretty healthy. Looks like I need a belt. Okay. So there you are. We got the timing set up at 36 degrees, a little on the conservative side. Let this thing cool off, check all the fluids. I'm gonna change that belt or get a spare one. A few things. I'm gonna go over all the chassis on the lift to make sure everything is tight and nothing's broke, about to break, or wore out. Check all the brakes, everything I do before I go out for the season, as usual. So I'll give this thing a bath soon, and I think I'm gonna put it away for now. It looks like it's going to rain, and I'm gonna start on something else. Welcome back to Anything Goes Garage. Happy Mother's Day to those out there on Mother's Day. We're out here in the shop. It was a balmy 58 degrees in here, so I got the stove going a little bit this morning, take the edge off. And we got the kids here. Ouch, Mr. Attitude. Always chomp. This dog's a land shark. Not Maggie, she's a sweetheart. So we did some juggling around here yesterday, and got the 56 here on the lift. I'm going to do a once over on this thing for the racing season. The Project 64 is down there on Bay 3. That doesn't need to be on the lift anymore for a while, because I'm going to start on that roof soon. I got a bed kit coming. Yeah, there's still some stuff going around here. Hey, hey, what? Shh, quiet. Shh. So yeah, all right. Well, let's see. So anyway, we're gonna go over this, and working on a couple of things. I got my lawnmower outside, but steering box out of that. Can't find a steering box for it. Maybe eBay. Kits don't have for it. They have a couple of seals, but the shaft shot. So So let's go through this thing and check everything. So here's the underside of this. Starting to show our age. I built this car in 2005. Finished it in March of 06. Yeah, I started in October of 05 and finished it in March or April of 06. So I pounded this car out quickly. I mean everything pretty much. The only thing that wasn't done right away for the first time I had it out was paint. And Ray came through for me, who painted this. Thank you, Ray. And he did a fantastic job on it. It is a race car, it's not a show car, but it's holding up good. So I'm going over everything, just making sure nothing's loose, nothing looks broken, might need replacing. Go through everything, grease the kingpins and whatnot. Transmission's not leaking. Drive shaft looks good, no dings, no things. Let's see, oh, last service, 7/23/22. I'll have to count, see how many runs are on this thing. It shouldn't be too many. Last year was kind of a short year. Yeah, all my mounts look good, all my heim joints, everything's tight. I'll check it all with a wrench. I'm gonna check my fuel filter. Coilovers look good, nothing's leaking, nothing's wet, just dirty. Brakes need adjustment, I don't hear any. Usually I put a little bit of drag on them. So we're just gonna, I guess, end this here. Got a few things to do to this. Needs a bath and needs a good detailing, like I said. Give it a nice wax job. I don't think I've waxed it in a couple years. I think I might polish the wheels. What do you think, Maggie? Puppy. Oh yeah, also today, Amazon order. Amazon, yes. They seem to know me very well. It is. Drum roll. Oh look, a box in a box. Yeah. An open box in a box. A repackaged box from a different company. It's already open. And we have a bag in a box. Oh, what parts? The new master cylinder for the 56 Bel Air. That the one that's leaking out the back down into the floor. Yeah. Also, today I acquired these really cool old school Moroso slick covers. They're a little dirty, a couple of spots on them, but they're one little hole right there. Mice got in it, but hey, they're free. They're nice. Big suckers too. And I believe this is Corvette. It's a T-top bag. I think it's Corvette. I don't know. It could be a T-top bag for anything. It could be anything. It also has GM on it. The mice did not get to that though. That's a good thing. And somebody didn't want it, so they didn't want either one. So thank you, Tommy. They were cleaning out their garage, and yeah, some things have to go, and I get it. But he's been giving me a call when there's stuff that needs to go he don't want to throw away. So yeah, these are my race car trailer, and we'll use them this summer. Keep them big old slicks, well, little old slicks, out of the sun. And I think somebody likes the boxes. Here's the end of that box. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and put some comments in. You know, whatever you want to see, say, whatever. We got more material coming up, more content. I think I got a Ford product coming in soon. I think it's a 69 Ford Fairlane with a 4-speed. I got to talk to the guy. Got to do a little tuning on it, I think. So, okay, well, like I said, like and subscribe, tell a friend, add a comment. Whatever you feel, whatever you please. Every little bit helps the channel. Take care, guys. See you next time.